Gilbert Hall of Science. The makers of Erector, the world's greatest construction toy, and American Flyer, the world's most realistic electric trains. The only electric trains that run on real two-rail tracks, puff clean white smoke, and give off realistic choo-choo sounds, brings you the Boys Railroad Club, featuring American Flyer trains. Their guest today is a real railroader, Mr. H.I. Walton from the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. The doors open. The boys are just getting started. So let's go inside and see what's going on.
It was darn nice of you boys to invite me down here as your guest. Say, this spaceman is a real railroader's dream. What for you wrote me the letters?
I did, Mr. Walton. I'm Toby. I'm the president, so I invited you. Meet the gang. This is Ben, our train dispatcher. How do you do, Mr. Walton? I'm pleased to know you.
Hi, Ben.
Steve, the conductor. Hello, Mr. Walton.
Hi.
Corky, our engineer. Hi.
Hi, Corky.
And Herky, my brother, a fireman. Pleased to meet you.
Hi, Herky.
Say, Herky, why don't you go upstairs and see a television program? No, then I miss the train.
Don't you miss any trains, Herky.
Tell us what you're doing to B&O Railroad, Mr. Walton.
I'm superintendent of the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad, in charge of the New York Terminal Division. I have supervision over transportation. Transportation means the operation of passenger trains and freight trains. Maintenance of way. Now, maintenance means keeping things up to standard. Way is the road bed, and anything on it, including the rails, signals, switches, buildings, and any other property. Then we have the maintenance of equipment. Equipment is our rolling stock. Rolling stock to you boys means our passenger cars, our freight cars, our steam locomotives, and diesels.
Golly, Mr. Walton, we have a lot of property on our right-of-way, too. We bought some of it with money we earned cutting grass and running errands. Ben had 3 locomotives and 10 cars, so he brought those to the club. Corky had some extra cars and tracks, and I had a big train set, so I brought that. Santa Claus brought us some of it, didn't he, Hershey? Yes, he did. Maybe he'll bring us some more. Well, let's show Mr. Walton our equipment. I'll bet it's just like his railroad. Please stand in the observation platform, will you, Mr. Walton?
Certainly.
All I can stand up there, Mr. Walton. That's right, you can see everything. Would you like to see us run our railroad? Huh?
Why, certainly. That's what I came down here for.
Okay, then, let's go, fellas. Herky and I are going to work on some new mountains we're building. That's right. Put some more. Herky, there you go again. Hey! Okay, fellas, he gave us a highball. Here we go. Look at our 2-rail track, the kind of the real railroad track.
That's a fine-looking roadbed, boys. Say, your locomotive makes smoke.
You said it. The faster she goes, the more smoke she puffs.
What happens when she slows down?
She puffs less smoke, because then she's not working so hard.
Does she always do that?
You bet. The smoke is synchronized with the speed of the locomotive at all speeds. We have electronic controls for all our trains and automatic equipment, even for the whistle. This is our main freight yard. Look at all the different kinds of cars down there. This is one of our main passenger terminals. It's pretty busy.
All
station button right in front of me.
Did you have to push another button to make the station clock?
No, it started automatically when the train stopped. And that's not all. As soon as the station stopped talking, the train started up, automatically.
Gee, let's see you do it again, Toby.
Okay, here she comes again. I press the talking station button now. And when the train gets into the station, she stops. The station talks. Here's our crossover. Guess we'll have to wait for the streamliner.
Hey, look! Our B&O Royal Blue is coming through ahead of the Santa Fe. Our mail car is on this train. I'm going to make the mail car pick up the outgoing mail bag off the post and throw out a bag of mail for this way station. I can make good mountains, can't I, Ben?
Yep, you're pretty good, Herky. But when your mother sees you, she'll give me the dickens because you're all messed up.
Well, while I was watching your Royal Blue train in action, I was thinking about our own Royal Blue and how it looks coming over the viaduct at Relay, Maryland. A mighty sight for a railroader's eyes. You know, boys, we got a diesel on the Royal Blue now. No more steam. We're pretty proud of her performance. She's one of the stars of our system, including the Capital Limited and National Limited. All reliable, classy trains. And your busy track reminds me of our own 4-track line between Baltimore and Washington. There's something moving all the time on that stretch. It's a big job to keep the freight rolling and the passenger trains speeding on a railroad. Every piece of equipment must be in top-notch condition, and every man on the line has to work with the next fella. Don't forget that, boys, whether you're operating on your own railroad or mine. How about showing me some more of this grand little railroad that you operate?
Well, we'll show you how our new electromagnetic crane helps us load steel scrap into a special car.
This is real railroad stuff.
Look at the beacon light to warn airplanes away. It goes around like a real one. Oh, gee whiz, look! The red train is going somewhere. Boy, there's a real wreck, Mandy.
That's right, gang. One of the Vistadom passenger coaches is off the rail on the main line.
See it right in front of me?
Keep coming, Toby. A little more. All right. Swing the red crane around. Take up the boom. Lower the hook. And she'll be on the rails any minute. All ready to go, Toby. She only lost 2 minutes, and we can make that up easy. Take her away.
Hey, Toby and Steve, will you take out that old truck bridge over the freight line? I'm almost ready with the new one. All ready with her. Hey, Ben, give me a hand. I'll clean her into place.
Some performance, boys. You really have a good crew here.
Hey, fellas, there's a train coming over the new bridge. It's the Streamliner. Better tell the engineer to take it easy first time over.
Here she comes! Boy, look at that Streamliner!
Wow, what a beauty!
Hiya, railroad fans. Wouldn't you like to have an official American Flyer Boys Railroad Club right in your own home? Well, the chief engineer of American Flyer Trains, Mr. A.C. Gilbert, wants to help you start one. You know, it's a great thing to be a leader and be the first to form your own club. So listen, here is what you get absolutely free. First, a letter from Mr. Gilbert telling you how to start your official Boys Railroad Club. He'll give you details on exciting activities you can plan. And in addition, you'll also get this giant 48-page American Flyer train catalog, jam-packed with wonderful full-color pictures of American Flyer trains and accessories. Plus, Gilbert Erector sets, the world's greatest construction toys. Gilbert chemistry sets, magic sets, tool chests, and puzzles. And now, boys, after your railroad club is rolling, you can receive this handsome charter certificate with your name on it and the names of all your club members. It will look mighty important hanging on your wall, showing that you have an official Boys Railroad Club. Do it now. Write for information on how to start your American Flyer Boys Railroad Club and for your free 48-page full-color catalog. Address Gilbert, 99 Erector Square, New Haven, Connecticut. That's Gilbert, 99 Erector Square, New Haven, Connecticut. Send us your name and address right now. You know, you're always welcome at the Boys Railroad Club and at the Gilbert Hall of Science nearest your home. Remember, listen for the whistle. From the Gilbert Hall of Science. And give off realistic choo-choo sounds brings you the Boys Railroad Club, featuring American Flyer trains. Hello there, railroad fans. Say, wouldn't you like to have a real American Flyer model railroad system of your own? Of course you would. Because for realism, for power, for the most honest-to-goodness fun, you just can't beat American Flyer trains. And remember, only American Flyer has all these true-to-life features. Real two-rail tracks, lifelike puffing smoke, realistic choo-choo sounds, and a remote control whistle that's built right into the locomotive. Make sure you see the complete American Flyer train and accessory line soon at your local dealers. And say, while you're there, ask for the new American Flyer catalog. It has 56 full-color pages, and it's jam-packed with exciting news about the new American Flyer train. And that's not all. You'll see the famous Erector sets that build dazzling merry-go-rounds and parachute jumps, and hundreds of other exciting action models. And not only that, you'll find Gilbert chemistry sets, Gilbert tool chests, the spectacular new Gilbert Atomic Lab, and many other thrilling scientific outfits. Now, if you'd like a copy of this giant catalog delivered right to your home, postage paid, just send your name and address with 10 cents to the Gilbert Hall of Science, 99 Erector Square, New Haven, Connecticut. That's the Gilbert Hall of Science, 99 Erector Square, New Haven, Connecticut. And say, you're always welcome at the Boys Railroad Club and at the Gilbert Hall of Science nearest your home. American Flyer trains will always run for you, so listen for the whistle. From the Gilbert Hall of Science.